One of our viewers wants to know, are there specific foods that can help reduce stress and anxiety? Studies have shown that some foods may help us feel calmer, and other foods may actually act like stimulants, at least temporarily. So, if you experience stress and anxiety, maybe making a few modifications or adding some of these calming foods may help alleviate your symptoms. Foods that may work are tryptophan-rich foods. These are primarily protein foods, and the amino acids in the proteins can have a positive effect on stress, and they help your brain produce feel-good chemicals and may help you feel calm. So these are protein-rich: turkey and chicken and yogurt and eggs and dairy and beans, seeds and nuts. They seem to have an impact. But keep in mind that the effect is not going to be dramatic, but they're nutritious foods anyway, so no worries. Studies have also shown a relationship between B vitamins and mood. So a deficiency in B vitamins may indeed trigger depression in some people. So make sure your diet is adequate in the B vitamins, and that would be pork and beef and chicken and leafy greens, citrus, beans, nuts, and eggs. Carbs, healthy carbs especially, like whole grains, may also help produce serotonin, which is one of those feel-good chemicals from your brain. So choose whole grains. They get broken down more slowly and absorb more slowly, and they may give you a lift. Tea, chamomile green tea. You know, for centuries, people have been using teas for their healing properties, and sometimes just holding that warm cup of tea and breathing it may be very soothing and relaxing. And then when it comes to foods to avoid, watch your alcohol intake, watch the sweets department, and caffeine, because all of those in excess, they might feel like they're giving you a temporary boost, but then the rebound effect might be worse. So they're not particularly beneficial when you're trying to reduce stress.